Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel Computer and Code. In this video, we will be seeing what is variable. So variable in Java is nothing but its name given to memory location where we store the data value. So the data values which we use in program, for that we provide a name which is nothing but variable. So we can also say variable is data identifier, and there are different types of variables in Java, and they are local variable, instance variable and static variable. So there are three types of variables which we can use in Java. So the syntax for using variable or declaring variable in our program is we write the data type followed by the variable name, and this data type can be any data type provided by Java like int, float, character, boolean, etc. So data type followed by variable name and semicolon, or if you want to provide value at the time of declaration, then that also you can do by writing data type variable name equal to data value. So this is the syntax for using variable in Java program. So now let's see practically how to declare the variable. So both the ways you can declare variable, and there are three types: local, instance and static. So local variable is the variable which is declared within the method, and it can be used only by that method. It cannot be used by other methods in the class. Whereas instance variable is the variable which is declared within the class, and it can be used by all the methods present in that class. So it is present inside the class but outside any method of that class. So it is like a global variable in C and C++, but as it is present in class, inside the class, it is called instance variable. It is the direct member of class. Whereas static variable is the variable which is not bounded with objects. Static variable can be only the instance variables. When we declare instance variable as static using static keyword, then that variable is called static variable. So in Java we have local, instance and static variable. So now let's see practically in a Java program how to declare and print variable. So now first I will be declaring a instance variable, or let's take a local variable here within main, as main is also a method. So inside the method I am declaring a variable a, for which I am providing value as 100. So int a equal to 100, the variable, local variable I have declared, and now I am going to print it. And as it is present within the main method only, and in the main method only we are printing it, from main method only we are printing it, so we don't require any object. Directly we can use a as the name of variable, and when I run I get a as 100. So 100 is the value displayed for a. Now let's use instance variable. So this was the local variable which we have declared within the main method. So it can be used only within main, not outside the main. And also by the other methods of the same class also cannot access this local variable. So now I am declaring a instance variable b of type integer, and for which I have assigned value 200. So as it is declared directly inside the class test, it is instance variable, and it can be used by main method and also other methods in the class. So now for accessing the instance variable, which is the member of class, we require the object of class. Using the object only we can access the variable b. And as we can see, main is also the method which is present in same class, but because main is static, it is declared as static, we require here compulsory object to access the class members. If it was not static, then we don't require any object. We directly can use with the same name of variable like b, we can say we can print b directly without the object if it is not static. So from non-static method we can directly access the variable, but with static method, from static method we need to use object. And now I am using the third type, that is int c equal to 300 I am giving, and I am declaring it as static. Now you can see int c is instance variable and we are declaring it as static, so it is now static variable. So instance variable when declared static is called static variable, and now I am going to print it. So as we are accessing the C variable from static context, we don't require again the object, and also because it is static, the variable is static, it is not bounded with object. So directly we can print we are no need using the static variable to access C in this line. So the third type, that is static variable, any instance variable when declared static is called static variable. So in this program we have used all the three types of variables, that is local, static and instance, and also we have printed all the three from the main method. So instance variable which is directly inside the class, static variable is the instance variable which is declared as static, and local variable which is declared within the main method. So now when I execute the program, I will be getting all the three variables displayed, like A100, B200 and C300, which is from the main method. Thank you for watching. Subscribe or follow for more updates.